এটা হচ্ছে দিস ইজ দ্য ল্যাপটপ বাজার, ল্যাপটপ মেডিকো। This is laptop Medico. Here I am behind the east side of Bidhan market. It is, you can see the street alley that is comes from Amrit. It is the your landmark, that is Amrit. It is come from that alley, and thereafter you will get it here. And I have got my problem solution here. This is one of the wonder thing I have found it here. They are all solution, your laptop related solution. You know I am blogging for the people, places, food and festival, but it is at another kind of video, another kind of post I am posting here. That is why it is my gratitude to them who they are working here. This is my problem. I am got a Hero 10, but somehow the video was not playing in my old system, and they have made it easy here in my laptop. And just see, this is the guys, they have solved my problem. Express my gratitude to them to they have solved my problem, and that is why I am posting this video and videographing this. This is here. আচ্ছা, এই জায়গাটার এই লোকেশনটা কি বলে এটাকে?
বিধান মার্কেট, হাকিমপাড়া।
বিধান মার্কেট, দিস ইজ বিধান মার্কেট, হাকিমপাড়া, শিলিগুড়ি। And I am just told you, you will get the alley, the street, the gully from Amrit. Bimal Sinha Saroni. This is here, and I have got it found. My all the solution, all laptops, I have upgraded it here. And you may find some solution of your problems. I think you may check it here. Thank you.